Hello everyone, back again with me, Nimas Ayu L from IPSE 2019. Today we're going to learn about how to use multimeter, especially analog multimeter. Let's watch! So in here, I have analog multimeter. You can see in here, there are many parts of multimeter that I have. So let's see one by one. So there's a scale. This is how you read the value being measured. For an analog multitester, this is a series of a marking in a semicircle. And there are a needle or pointer. This is needle-shaped rod that move over the scale of a meter. The needle pointer is a mechanical connected to the moving coil. And in the bottom here, this is adjustment screw. This part, which is also known as the dial or infinity knob, allow you to adjust the pointer to the zero position of the scale. And then the circle, this is 0 ohm adjustment knob. It's used to calibrate the multitester when you want to measure the resistance of an object. To make sure the multitester is calibrated correctly, you have to turn on the multitester and then connect the metal tips of the two probes, and finally use the 0 ohm adjustment knob to adjust the needle point to 0 ohms on the scale. Right there are range selector knob. This part is also known as a selector switch. A range selector knob allows you to adjust the setting of the multitester. So using this, you can change what the multitester is measuring. Example, there are ACV voltage, or you can measure the current or the resistance, as well as the range of the measurement. Example is voltage or mil voltage. And the range selector knob can be auto ranging or manual ranging. So there are ACV, or you can know as alternative currents, and this is DCV, directly current voltage, and this is for direct DC but in milliampere. So, and then there is a hole for connecting the positive wire, or in this case the wire is red, and the second hole, this is for connecting negative wire, and the wire is the black. So this is test probe or test lead is an instrument used to connect a multimeter to a device under test, which is known as that. And the test probes are flexible insulated wire, and red test probes connected to the positive terminal, and then the black test probe connecting to the negative terminal. They are able to establish an electrical connection between a multimeter and the diode without exposing electrical workers to live conductive parts. So let's try it. And you should prepare the device, electronic device that you want to measure, and then you should put the probes into the positive and negative. And now we can know the current of electrical device that we want to measure. So you can try at your home. Happy try!